Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Login. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to log into HDFC bank account using a mobile device. If you'd like to access to your online banking account using your mobile, keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's proceed further. Open up a web browser. In the address bar at the top, type in www.hdfcbank.com and search. You'll end up in the official website of HDFC Bank. In order to log into your account, you'll be able to see a login button in the upper right hand. Tap on the button and on the next page, choose the area from where you'd like to log into your account. Let me choose this net banking option and tap login. Now, on the next page, tap on continue to new login page for net banking, and this is the login area for your account. Go ahead and type in your customer ID number or your user ID into the text box that appears. In case you don't remember your customer ID, tap on this link right here that says forgot customer ID and follow the instructions. After you're done typing in your credential, tap continue. As soon as you do that, you'll be able to see a password text box appearing. Enter your password or your IPIN number into the text box. Make sure to type it in correct. In case you don't remember your password or your PIN, tap on this link right here that says forgot password/IPIN. After you're done with all of the information, tap on the login button and you'll be logged into your bank account on HDFC using your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.